Welcome. In this video I will show the best Deodap promo code, and I will show this website best promo code. I will also show you how to find this a lot of promo code yourself. And so starting with first website called Tier Team, and here you can see when you scroll down you can browse codes. So in this case they only have 3 codes as of right now, and when you click the get code, open a window with code right here, and actually click on the VA with code right here and bottom. You can copy this code, and as you can basically browse through this code, see which one work now. And the second website called coupon words, so here you can also browse many different codes, and you see this expired. However, only have 4 as right. When you can click get code, open up and window again with code. When you tap this, you can copy to your clipboard, and coupon code don't work. If you don't work, guys, you can find a lot of promo code that is actually work, guys. And this is best website. I hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.